Well, hi, this is Joel with Wellspring Christian Family Schools, and I'm excited to let you know about a new class that will be beginning this fall semester. It's Applied Civics 101, and this class has been designed to help your family and student fulfill our new civics course requirement. We talked about that at our family leadership conference just a couple weeks ago, but we do have a new required civics course for incoming freshmen for the 2021 school year. It's a course that they have to take by the time they graduate. So that course can be fulfilled through you developing your own course or by taking the class that we're beginning this fall. So I'm here to let you know about the class. So it will be starting on September 9th. It will be live and on site as well as live stream. So if you are in the area and have a student that would like to attend on site, we would be thrilled to have them come. Or if you want to live stream it, that's also possible. The course will be including lots of different great topics. We'll be focusing primarily on answering the question of what is the Christian's responsibility in regards to civil society, in regards to civil government and civil authorities. How do we engage and how do we interact? And we're going to be answering that question by studying the book of Daniel, as well as our own founding documents and the United States Constitution. Christians have had an opportunity throughout history to provide thoughtful, godly influence in the public policy process so that we have responsible government that reflects righteous principles as opposed to government overreach or unrighteous policies. And our goal as Christians is to honor God by being those influencers. And we are hopeful that as your student goes through this course, that they will have a vision for how to engage their own current government, wherever they might be, whether it's here in the United States or abroad, for the Lord in a way that they can bring that kind of godly influence to the public policies of the government under which they reside. So we're excited about this course. As I said, it will be offered on-site and live streamed. And if you would like to take the course, please let us know by September 2nd. You can call or email our office and let us know that you have a student who wants to take it. It is a high school course, but it can be taken by junior high students for early credit. And we also welcome parents and younger students to audit it if they would like to do that as well. So thanks for considering the class for this upcoming semester, and we hope to hear from you soon. And we pray that your school year is going well so far. Thanks so much.